smile? Can you bear not to share with your child? Drifting and floating and fading away. Little moon, all day. Little moon. Do you carry the moon in your womb? Someone said that you're fading too soon, drifting and floating, fading away. Poison, are you wasting away in your sin? Are you missing the love of your kin? Nodding and melting, fading away. Little audience, little moon.
I like the red one. Maybe I'll get the red.
It's got electric start. You don't even have to. There's no
Oh.
key. It's keyless. And it's anti-lock brakes.
It's nice, right? The red one.
Very nice. It's a 160.
Can I try it?
Yeah, sit on
So I was planning to buy a new bike, and this is what I like, the Airblade 160. I was thinking buying black one, but the red one is really nice. It looks so elegant.
You could handle that, Maya. I love the red color. Anti-lock brakes?
Yes, sir.
Anti-lock brakes. Yeah.
Just get the red one.
Can we pop the seat? Let me see the under storage.
Big U-box.
Let's put half face helmet, I think. And keyless. It's keyless.
It's 160.
It's nice.
I like the combination of silver and red.
It's beautiful. How many do you have in stock?
We only have one stock for now, sir.
Only one for now.
This is affogato espresso with ice cream and cream, and I've seen this on TikTok and I'm gonna try it. Really good. Should try this baby. It's really good, yummy. that, babe?
This is a cannoli. And this place is from Rome, Italy, and it's legit.
What kind of cannoli is that?
This is just a traditional sweet ricotta cheese with chocolate chips and confetti sugar on top of it.
Wow.
It's real. It's as good as anything I've had anywhere else.
Can I try it?
Good. They have different flavors too.
Cold?